Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to get Animal Company mods using Sideloadly in a clear and easy way. First, make sure you have Sideloadly installed on your computer along with iTunes or the required drivers so your device is recognized properly. Now, connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a cable and open Sideloadly. Next, download the modded IPA file of Animal Company from a trusted source and keep it ready on your desktop. Once that's done, drag and drop the IPA file into Sideloadly. After that, enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. This is required to sign the app. Now, click on the Start button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, go to your device settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management, and trust the app certificate using your Apple ID. Finally, go back to your home screen, open the game, and the modded version should work without issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.